Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all happy, safe and healthy. In today's short video, I will be teaching you all how to create this very cute, simple scrapbook or album. And I created this using some pattern paper and some elements that I had lying around the house. You can create such an album for anyone special. It can be a friend on his or her birthday, it can be someone who is celebrating his or her anniversary, or just a random act of love and kindness to make someone feel special and valued. So without further ado, let me take you through the steps to create this wonderful album. So dear friends, here I have 3 pattern sheets and they all measure 15 centimeters by 6.5 centimeters. And these pattern sheets will be used to create our scrapbook. So the first step that we must follow is that we must fold all these scrapbook sheets in half. And why we do this is because this will create the pages as well as the cover of the scrapbook that we are going to create. So we'll be back after we fold all the pages. So now friends, as you can see, our pattern sheets are ready. What I personally like to do is to reverse fold them. I do this in order to make the fold lines a bit more crisp and clean. You can also use an instrument to apply pressure on these folds in order to make them more firm. So now these scrapbook sheets have been folded in reverse and are ready to be assembled into the base of the scrapbook. So what I'm doing here now is I am using glue to stick these scrapbook sheets together so that they form the pages as well as the base of the cover. So let me assemble my scrapbook together by sticking all the pages, and I'll see you after that. So now you can see that the base of the scrapbook is ready. The pages are in line and the cover is waiting to be decorated. But before I stick any sort of decoration or embellishment onto the cover, I will be using 2 pieces of ribbon. They are of equal length and one will be stuck to the front cover and the other piece will be glued onto the back cover. Now the reason why I use a ribbon, this is an entirely optional procedure. You may use a ribbon if you wish to. I use it for 2 reasons. The first reason being that it keeps the scrapbook shut, and the second reason is because it gives us a feel of a gift. Because come on guys, don't we all love to unwrap a gift tied with a ribbon? Next, I will be sticking 2 pattern sheets measuring 7 centimeters by 6 centimeters onto the front and back covers. This will give the scrapbook a completed look. Again, this is entirely up to you. If you don't have pattern papers, you can always use colored sheets or even draw. My cover is going to be very simple because, as I have repeatedly said in my previous videos, there is always elegance in simplicity. Now guys, I will be embellishing the cover with just an image because the cover being small doesn't leave much room for decoration. But I believe that sometimes less is more, and so therefore I am keeping it really simple. Now what I am doing to elevate the cover a bit is I'm using double-sided tape to stick the image onto the cover so it gives us that 3D effect. So this makes it a little bit more special. So guys, now I'm going to decorate the interior of my scrapbook. As you can see, I have 3 images here, and all 3 images have a very cute message written on them. I will be following a pattern here. I will be sticking these images onto the left side of the scrapbook. And I will be doing this using double-sided tape because, like I said earlier, double-sided tape is used to give us that 3D effect. It makes the image stand out. And on the right hand side, I will be doing something simple but different. So let's get going. So guys, now we move on to the right side pages of the scrapbook. I have taken 3 different colored sheets measuring 7 centimeters into 6 centimeters, and I will be sticking them onto the remaining pages. Now this empty colored space can be used for anything. You can use it to write something sweet, or to stick a photograph, or to just draw. In this case, I will be using it to write something sweet and meaningful. So I'll get back to you after I finish this process. So guys, as you can see, our cute little scrapbook is almost ready. Let me show you how tying the ribbon makes it even more cuter and special. So guys, we are done with today's scrapbook. Look at this little bundle of cuteness. I'm sure that anybody who you make this for and gift it to will definitely feel happy and special. You can see that I've used the colored empty spaces to write messages of my own. You can use it for the same purpose, or you can draw something or stick a picture. That is entirely up to you. Now before I leave, I just want to take you very quickly through the interiors of my first scrapbook. And I did a little bit more work on this one, and I'll just very quickly take you through what I have done inside. Now in this scrapbook, because it is slightly bigger than the one we did today, I have made some pockets where I can store images or notes, and I've left a little empty space on one of the pages to write whatever I feel like writing. And here I have created a small foldable card within the scrapbook, and here what I can do is I can stick pictures and I can also write. So this is like a surprise within a surprise. You can see that I've continued with the pockets. This time it's on the side of the page and not at the bottom. Again, this is entirely up to you. I have left a space for writing. And I have created a small envelope, the tutorial of which I will be showing you shortly. I think I did an envelope tutorial in one of my last videos, so you can go ahead and have a look at that. An empty space for writing. And I've also used colored sheets to make a ribbon effect, and I've also created a small pocket on the last page. Thank you all for being here today. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.